Hi, this video will be for the installation of a Whipple 2.9 liter on a Ford 6.2 liter motor. This kit is designed for a Raptor. We'll be installing on a 2012 Harley-Davidson edition. The reason I'm creating this video is to basically, as I find some lessons learned and some issues, I wanted to document it. And up to this point, the installation has went quite smoothly, and I'm about 75%. But I did run into some challenges, so I wanted to stop and kind of document some of this for someone else like myself that will be looking to install this. I was not able to find much information on the internet for the kit itself. One thing I wanted to just start off with is the kit came in. It was a great, packaged well, no problems there. Came in 2 boxes, and I can show you the boxes. The boxes are these guys right here. One box had the supercharger in it that was foam packed. No problems there. Pulled it out, no damage. Very well packed. I was concerned about damage. And then the other box contained all the other various components. Again, individually boxed, well packed, really professionally done. So I was happy with the kit receiving it. However, the manual that they sent was in black and white, so I might recommend they print it out in color. It just would help a little bit. One other thing I'd recommend, and maybe they have this on their site, I wasn't able to find it. I actually found a PDF version just Googling on another site, and of course it's in color, and this is really the best way to go, is because you can not only kind of blow your text up a little bit, but if you get into an area where you need a little bit more visibility on something, you can, so the images that are in the PDF are high resolution and they give you really good clarity. You can pinch in, and it helped me a lot during the installation. So I'm going to just have a series of videos. I'll try to keep them short and to the point. As I find things moving forward, so I'll create a little video and post that out. So let me stop here and we'll go to the next one.